Hey guys, it's like the craziest time, usually for all families in America. It's a little bit past 5 and I'm just starting to make dinner. And I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Normal night, really raw. The kitchen's dirty because we've all been out of town. My husband worked a little bit later and I'm gonna throw dinner together. I'm gonna show you just how easy it can be. So we're gonna do Mexican tonight, like tacos with a little bit of a different twist. So I have these dried apricots and I bought them because I thought Henry would eat them and he's not. So I figured I'd put them in because chicken and apricots actually go really have fun. I told you, we were right. They're going to get the garbage cans. Also, sorry about the crop top. I wore it on my walk with like some high-waisted leggings with Henry earlier and those were a little too hot for me. So anyway, got half a pound of ground chicken breast just on the stove top. I'm gonna brown it up, and then I'm gonna throw these apricots in there, some chipotles and adobo, so it's just smoked jalapenos. So because my toddler is only eating chicken nuggets these days, I can make food a little bit spicier and, enjoy it. So I'm gonna just chop these up. Also gonna add a couple, maybe like a quarter cup of black beans, and it's gonna be so good. Makes dinner a little less boring, and you're using stuff you already have. So you only need the smallest amount of these chipotles and adobo. So I use, I open the can, I use it, and then I put it in a plastic bag and throw it in the freezer, and then I just break off whatever I need. Boom. Okay, so I just added a little bit of vegetable stock to this. So it's just half a pound of ground chicken breast, some of those dried unsweetened apricots, and some of the chili and adobo. And I added the vegetable stock. I just used this one from Sprouts. Because I want to reconstitute those apricots and make them a little bit sweeter and like it'll make the chicken less dry.
Leave it open. Leave it open. Hey.
Henry, listen to Dad. Real healthy dino buddies. So this is how you do dinner 3 ways with basically the same ingredients except the toddler. So he got chicken fingers with some barbecue sauce, but I still give him fresh options. So he has cucumbers, peppers, and avocado, and he has to try every single one of them. He doesn't have to eat the whole plate, but he has to have one of each. Mine is just kale, the cabbage, bell pepper that you saw me slice up, the chicken that I made, avocado, cilantro, and some salsa. And on Jim's, it's the same thing, just in tortilla form. Oh, and some shredded carrots. Super easy.
What do you make me, Mom?
I'm going to bring it right now with your water. Just get seated. Go sit down.
My name's Henry.
Go sit down, Henry James. Come on, Bubba.
Go.
No.
Hey.
No.
Stuff right here, not a shoulder, just this part, and hurt
This
myself.
story's going on for a long
and
time, buddy.
I just hurt myself
What?
all day long because I'm a good kid
You-
and I will eat all my dinner. And Hulk and me, we both eat dinner.
All right, show me, Hulk. Show me how you eat your cucumber.
Watch me, Hulk, and watch me.
Let me see. Good. Good job. Can you eat all of your vegetables?
Ooh.